goal. In this video, I will show you how to create a clean automatic progress bar in Notion without any coding or templates. By the end, your Notion dashboard will literally track your progress visually, and trust me, once you see this, you will never use plain checklist again. So let's get started. So first I am going to make a database here. So for that you can just type slash database and it will give you a prompt. So click on OK. And for this example I am going to make a book reading progress. Okay, so I will add some property here. First will be total, second will be completed, and third will be progress. Okay, this will, so suppose I have a book like book ABC. Okay, which has maybe like 200 pages. Okay, out of which I have completed maybe like a 40, like 50 pages. Okay, so now this is basically change type to this will be a number type. Okay, this will also be a number type, and this will basically be a formula. So I'm going to change the type to formula. So this, and then write the formula. So it will be completed divided by total. Okay, so it is giving me 0.25. Okay, which is the total progress. Okay, so now I am going to convert it into a number to a percentage. Okay, so as you can see that it is telling me that I have completed 25% of that book. So now what you can do is that if you want to show the progress bar, basically you can choose this, and you can even like uh, change the color as well. Why it is acting like this? Okay, so as you can see that it is giving you a progress bar. You can also change this progress bar to maybe circular one, like in a ring format through this. Now let's see how you can turn your progress bar from this simple progress bar to something really interesting. Okay, so for that purpose I am going to create a new property, and this will be also a formula. Okay, and in this formula we will write something which is going to turn this UI to something any kind of a emoji or any kind of a character. Okay, so for that purpose we will use a calculator tool. So this is the tool. So here you will have to enter your completed column name and your total column name. So here I have this completed and this total. So basically what will happen is that whatever your total is, you will enter here, and whatever your completed name row name is, you will enter it here. So this is completed in total, so I'm going to write this, and this is the total, and how I want my complete symbol to look like. So for that purpose I am just copying it, this one, and I want my remaining to be like this. So I'm going to this, and if I want I can do maybe like blue. So it will generate a formula and which will look like this. Okay, so just copy this formula and then go back to your Notion page. So here you just have to paste your formula and it will give you this kind of a look. Okay, so this is that simple. Yeah, if you want you can change it to any kind of thing. Here you can even add your own custom emoji or any kind of thing, and if you want you can leave this empty and it will give you like this as well. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, press a like, and thank you for watching.